Question number 261. A company uses Microsoft 365. The company needs security professionals to use the Microsoft 365 Defender portal to proactively search for undetected threats across users' devices and applications. You need to recommend a solution. Which solution should you recommend? Option A, hunting. Option B, incidents and alerts. Option C, secure score. Option D, threat analytics. The correct answer is option A, hunting. Question number 262. A company implements Microsoft 365. The company's security team needs to understand threat signals for Microsoft 365 products and services. You need to recommend a solution that meets the following requirements. Provide the first line of defense in the stack. Automated investigation and remediation of breaches. Provide capabilities for network protection. Which solution should you recommend? Option A, Microsoft Defender for Office 365. Option B, Microsoft Defender for Endpoint. Option C, Microsoft Defender for Identity. Option D, Microsoft Defender for Cloud Apps. The correct answer is option B, Microsoft Defender for Endpoint. Question number 263. A company uses Microsoft 365. The company experiences multiple suspicious attacks on employee accounts. To prevent future attacks, the company requires a solution that provides the following. Monitors the behavior of employees. Reduces surface attacks on employee accounts. Identifies and investigates suspicious attacks on employee accounts. You need to recommend a solution. Which Microsoft Defender service should you recommend? Option A, Microsoft Defender for Cloud Apps. Option B, Microsoft Defender for Endpoint. Option C, Microsoft Defender for Identity. Option D, Microsoft Defender for Office 365. The correct answer is option C, Microsoft Defender for Identity. Question number 264. A company is implementing Microsoft 365 Defender services. A security auditor wants to explore the Microsoft 365 Defender portal. You need to assign a role to the security auditor by using the principle of least privilege. Which role should you assign? Option A, Global Reader. Option B, Security Reader. Option C, Global Administrator. Option D, Security Administrator. The correct answer is option B, Security Reader. Question number 265. A company is evaluating threat protection in Microsoft 365. For each of the following statement, select yes if the statement is true, otherwise select no. The first statement is Microsoft 365 Defender for Endpoint can block malware on Windows 10 devices. The correct answer is yes. The second statement is Microsoft 365 Defender for Office 365 is a solution that can detect malicious emails. The correct answer is yes. The third statement is Microsoft 365 Defender for Endpoint requires a separate installation for Windows 10 devices. The correct answer is yes. Question number 266. A company plans to use Microsoft 365 Defender. Which services should you use? On the left side, you have the services. On the right side, you have the requirement and you need to choose the correct service. The first requirement is protect against malicious links in email. The correct service is Microsoft Defender for Office 365. The second requirement is identify unprotected Windows Server. The correct service is Microsoft Defender for Endpoint. Question number 267. You create a resource group named RG1 in Azure Resource Manager. You need to prevent the accidental deletion of the resources in RG1. Which setting should you use? The correct answer is locks. Question number 268. You are recommending strategies for hybrid work environment. For each of the following statement, select yes if the statement is true, otherwise select no. The first statement is support from managers is critical to making hybrid work a success. The correct answer is yes. The second statement is SharePoint Online provides insights for managers and leaders to understand employee well-being and engagement. The correct answer is no. The third statement is workers can define a flexible work policy that gives people a choice in how, when, and where they work. The correct answer is yes. Question number 269. A company plans to adopt Microsoft Cloud solution. You need to identify which platform is appropriate for each solution component. Which platform should you select? On the left side, you have the platforms. On the right side, you have the solution component and you need to choose the correct platform. The first solution component is Microsoft Developed Customer Relationship Management (CRM) application. The correct platform is Dynamics 365. The second solution component is Windows Virtual Machine. The correct platform is Microsoft Azure. The third solution component is Microsoft Developed Enterprise Resource Planning (ERP) application. The correct platform is Dynamics 365. Question number 270. A company is evaluating Microsoft's virtualization services. Which feature is unique to Windows 365? Option A. Users can connect to a virtual machine by using the Microsoft Remote desktop app. Option B. Users can connect to a virtual machine by using a website. Option C. A virtual machine can be provisioned from a custom image. Option D. A virtual machine is automatically provisioned after assigning a license to a user. The correct answer is option D. A virtual machine is automatically provisioned after assigning a license to a user.